This video guide is dedicated to help you with getting rid of the malicious pop-ups that are related to the site getfiledownload.store. Getfiledownload.store is a malicious and a truly deceptive site attacking Google, Chrome and other browsers. It tries to mislead people and to make them download and install some potentially unwanted software or some malicious files that may lead to the installation of malware. Therefore, if you see these pop-ups by getfiledownload.store, do not interact with them. Do not install anything that these pop-ups ever suggest. Such pop-ups, by the way, could be the result of some adware enabled in your computer. We recommend you to research your system with the help of reliable security software, such as Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on this official page, combocleaner.com. So download it, install it, and then after it gets successfully installed, start carefully researching your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.